Modern food processing operations use a variety of methods for cleaning and disinfecting surfaces and equipment which come into contact with foods during handling and preparation. Food processing and packaging equipment gets dirty with grease, wax, proteins, seasonings, crumbs, glues, and other ATP contaminants. Unfortunately, traditional manual cleaning methods are time-consuming, ineffective, and usually involve significant amounts of water and resulting waste. Dry ice blasting offers a superior cleaning process that can reduce cleaning time by up to 80%, eliminate secondary waste, and result in a significant reduction in overall cleaning costs. In addition, dry ice blasting is non-abrasive and many times can be used to clean equipment hot and in place without disassembly. Damian Gaitan, Director of Operations at Bimbo Bakery in San Francisco, reports that it previously took over 36 hours to clean their bagger machines. With cold jet dry ice blasting, it now takes less than 6 hours. Dry ice blasting also effectively decontaminates surfaces of Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. According to a report released by the Food Standards Agency, the cold jet system was shown to effectively clean and disinfect various types of surfaces, including stainless steel, ceramic tiles, food-grade plastics, and plastic surface coatings. The study concludes that dry ice blasting has a distinct advantage over conventional cleaning and disinfection techniques, in that there are no chemical residues left behind after treatment and no chemical waste to treat and dispose of. Dry ice blasting is currently being used for a variety of applications by industry-leading companies around the world. To learn more, visit www.coldjet.com or call the number listed on your screen.